How do you do? This is Niall Cregan here from the search marketing team with Shane Rice. We're just doing a quick video going over a tool in Google Sheets that we found that was produced by Moz, which allows you to pull in search traffic and use forecasting analytics to identify possible trends based on upper performance, mid performance, and lower performance, just to try and identify progression based on maybe data such as page views or traffic. For this initial undertaking, just to test it, we're looking at page views based on organic traffic into Google Analytics. And I'm just going to quickly share my screen here so you can just see what we've been looking at. So here's just a quick overview of the data sheet itself that was included in the template from Moz. And from this, we exported this sheet, which basically allows you to import data from Google Analytics, minimum based on about 2 years. We've gone back as far as we can here, back to 2012. Obviously, the more data you can provide, the more relevant your results are most likely going to be. So from here in the input section, we simply exported all the page views data that was available to us in Google Analytics going back to 2012, set the start date from the 1st to the 12th of when the data is going to be analyzed for. So the tool then pulls in that information, correlates it all, and then puts an output based on the past trends of traffic and the analytics that it has to make projections based on what they can foresee the possible trends if it's aligned with the major events over that time period. It also has an input where you can program in variables such as impact from coronavirus and other such elements in the advanced section, but we haven't yet really gone down into that. So currently here's just a quick overview of the results based on what we've seen, based on just organic traffic. And we can see here the trend line going from 2012 up as far as today. And here is the three projections, the upper band, mid band, and lower band of expectations based on that historical data.
Great. And now what, you said this is inbound traffic. What, do you know what channels that is?
So this is based on social traffic. Here we have a worksheet that breaks it down. So we have basically it's down to the social traffic, referral traffic, and inbound traffic, or direct. Sorry, my apologies there. So the system is set up to pull in the tree and then correlate the information. Then it feeds it into the chart system, which we just previewed there.
Great. Okay. Well, I think it's super exciting. I think that's great to see the projection there and break out that, traffic over time by month, just to see that as we look at it. So really encouraging. And I think also as we look at this, it's worth pointing out when you see the dip later in the year, that's associated with the traditional holiday time, which is what we're just coming out of. So, they're anticipating that traffic will go down a little bit there in this model. But I think this is something that's a great place to start and something we can definitely build on.
Great. Yeah. It's definitely something new to play with for a while.
Yep. All right, great. Well, thanks, Niall. I appreciate you walking me through this. And I know that when we shared this on Unfiltered, lots of people are going to be interested in what we're looking at here. So can we make this sheet so we can share it and anybody can get in and see the data?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thanks.
All right. Cheers. Thanks, everyone.